BenQ launches BR9708 4K laser projector in Europe with high-end color performance for immersive. Venue's BenQ has expanded its professional projector lineup with the launch of the BR9708 4K Laser Simulation Projector in Europe, targeting immersive entertainment spaces such as escape rooms, theme parks, simulators, and experiential attractions. Engineered for high-impact visual environments, the BR9708 promises premium color accuracy and flexible installation options while staying competitively priced compared to traditional high-end projection systems. The BR9708 features a 4K UHD 3840 x 2160 resolution and a native 16:9 aspect ratio, delivering sharp, detailed images suitable for cinematic storytelling and interactive digital environments. BenQ equips the projector with a laser-based light source producing up to 2,600 ANSI lumens of brightness, paired with an impressive 3 million to 1 contrast ratio, allowing vibrant highlights and deep blacks even in partially lit rooms. With an estimated 22,000-hour lifespan in typical usage conditions, the laser module also reduces long-term maintenance costs for commercial operators. One of the standout features of the BR9708 is its interchangeable lens system. Supporting throw ratios from 0.15 to 1.6, the projector can accommodate a wide variety of room sizes and projection distances, enabling images up to 300 inches wide. This versatility makes the BR9708 suited for complex installations where precision alignment is essential. BenQ emphasizes that the projector covers 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, a specification typically reserved for high-tier cinematic projectors. The company claims the BR9708 delivers the color performance of high-end projectors at a fraction of the cost, positioning it as a value-oriented choice for immersive applications that require accurate, lifelike visuals. Automatic 2D keystone correction, motorized focus controls, and other image adjustment tools help installers fine-tune the picture with minimal effort. While the BR9708 does not include built-in speakers, a deliberate choice for professional environments where external audio is standard, it offers ample connectivity. Users can connect external media players, PCs, or audio systems through HDMI, with ARC, USB, and other standard ports. The projector supports 17.9 milliseconds input lag at 4K 60 Hz, making it responsive enough for interactive exhibits and simulation components. BenQ also highlights the unit's low operating noise level of around 30 decibels, which helps maintain immersion during use. In terms of physical design, the BR9708 measures 525/146, 392 millimeters, and can be installed on a tabletop or ceiling-mounted depending on the venue layout. Its robust chassis and pro-grade design reflect BenQ's focus on the commercial market rather than home theater consumers. The projector is now available across Europe. In the UK, the BR9708 is priced at £4,659 through retailers such as Jack's Golf Sims, while pricing starts at €6,499 at stores including Visanext. For customers seeking a 4K home theater alternative rather than a commercial projector, BenQ recommends the W2720i, currently retailing at roughly $2,099 in the US and €1,897 in Germany. With its combination of advanced color performance, flexible installation, and professional-grade build quality, the BenQ BR9708 enters the market as a strong contender for immersive entertainment environments that demand reliable 4K visuals without the premium price tag of traditional simulation class projectors. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with your friends and subscribe for more awesome reviews on budget-friendly tech. And of course, drop a comment love to hear what you think.